And good middle of the night there to you. It's 2:11 a.m. here on the 10th, very early Thursday morning. Meteorologist Mike Griffith here, back on the weather train, and we're just going to kind of keep this one short here. A big storm system that just left the East Coast today here on Thursday. Now it's just going to be a little bit warmer than usual here as we head into this coming Thursday. It looks like the ridge gets bumped up here in the western part of the United States, and it really just kind of looks like it just kind of doesn't really amplify, but it just makes its presence felt all the way into this weekend, the 12th. But what's going to happen is there's going to be a shot of cold air up around the northeast United States, as you can see right here. And this cold air, here's the axis of this cold air. Looks like it'll make it all the way down into the mountains here, even in the western Carolinas and the northeast, such areas such as Pennsylvania and up into New England. They're going to be seeing some snow showers this coming weekend from this trough moving through. Now, into the future, we're going into Sunday, the 13th, and into early next week. Not a whole bunch of change here, according to the ensembles. And it looks like this is just going to remain warm and dry here in the east. We got to watch this system right here, potential system forming off the coast of Florida as we go into next Wednesday, the 16th here, and seeing if that's going to pose any type of threat to the East Coast. Too early to tell with that, though. And another ridge just gets blown up here in the eastern part of the United States heading into the Friday, November 18th. That's later in the next week. It's almost a week from now. Looks like something tries to dig into Texas. We're also to watch this for potential snow if it can get cold enough. And as we head into the future here, just looks like zonal flow pretty much across the United States, which would just be warmer than average. However, we do have a little bit of a cold shot here around the 24th. And this model is indicating that temperatures are going to be, in fact, below normal in spots into the future, because this is just an average. All this is just a smoothed out average. But if there's any hint of any type of low anomaly, chances are it's going to be more significant than its counter model run single deterministic model, which is just the GFS. What we were looking at was the GEFS. This is just a single model here, and it has a pretty big cold outbreak here across New England as we head into the 23rd, just before Thanksgiving. Let's take a look now at the precipitation outlook here through the end of this month, and it looks like that system right there is going to be bringing snow up into Canada after potentially even bringing lake effect snow here to northwestern Pennsylvania, western Pennsylvania down into the Appalachian Mountains here as we head into the 21st of November. And it looks like that system just kind of wraps in a lot of colder air behind it. Really cold air there just in time for 24th, which is Thanksgiving this month, and then Friday the 25th immediately following that. Let's back it up in the time here as we take the model backwards. And it's going to remain dry pretty much through the 12th, Saturday. High pressure is in control as we go into Monday. Still not a whole lot happening. Still quiet as we head into all of next week. And Thursday, late next week into Friday. And then here we go into next weekend. A storm system comes out of the plains. Pretty significant. It's going to be throwing a lot of snow across Minnesota, parts of Iowa, probably even Wisconsin too, all the way up into Canada here. This is Saturday, November 19th. This is next weekend. This storm system forms here, according to the GFS, pushes a powerful cold front to the east, which could likely result in some heavier rains, some high winds, even some severe weather here as we head into not this weekend, but the weekend after. And then some snow showers possible up there, what I was seeing here around the 21st, which is Sunday evening into Monday, lake effect there across the western part of Pennsylvania. And then it's kind of iffy after that, but it looks like it kind of goes cold after that system departs and kind of changes the pattern momentarily. That's all for now. Thanks a lot for tuning in to Eastern Weather. I am meteorologist Mike Griffith. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and see you in the video. We'll see you later.